As the as summer's here, I'm inspired to create colorful designs that separate my favorite season. The tangerines have long past their peak, their bright orange hue and sweet tart flavor linger in my mind. If summer had a taste, for me, it would be tangerine. So today I will be making some delightful tangerine earrings. For the look, I want a vibrant, glowy color with a touch of translucence. Let's start by pulling out some translucent clay, mixing it with bright orange for the fruit, and adding green clay for the leaves. Then is the fun part, transforming these mixtures into our final clays for the design. To be honest, the physical mixing can be quite tiring, so maybe it's not as fun as it sounds. Summer to me is bright and boundless, a time when tiny moments feel possible and worth savoring. I can only make this present moment as full as authentic as possible. Life is a dance, not a destination. I've learned that success isn't a single endpoint. I used to chase one trophy after another, top colleges, dream jobs, the perfect relationship, only to find I was often missing the present. I was distracted by the regrets from the past, anxieties from the future, by living in the moment. Now let's add the tiny bumps texture on the tangerine skins. I used to use scalping pen to make the dents on the skin. Then I found a simpler and more enjoyable method. Gentle rolling foil and pressing over the surface to mimic the natural texture. Now it's starting to look more like real tangerines, but in a mini version. After baking the charms, I glaze them with scalping gloss varnish or extra shine. I noticed that glaze thickens after a few minutes, so I top off the dish regularly and clean my brush with rubbing alcohol to keep it soft and manageable. I truly love how these tangerines turn out, shiny and light, just right for summer. Finishing each design brings me a wonderful sense of fulfillment. I often find myself losing track of time while scalping, sometimes realizing I've stepped too late. Have you ever lost yourself in something you love? Maybe it's gardening, reading, painting, or cooking. It's such a special feeling. Here's the final look. They're lightweight and ready for sunshine. Wishing you all a joyful summer ahead. See you next time.